very good evening to one and all. Hope all of you are safe in the present COVID-19 pandemic situation. On behalf of SDHC SHAR, I would like to extend a very warm welcome to all of you for today's event, which is being organized in a virtual mode. World Space Week is an international celebration of space and technology and its contribution to the progress of mankind. The theme for this World Space Week 2020 is Satellites Improve Life. All good things have come to an end, and we have reached the end of what has been an incredible journey, and is essential for us to end it on a right note. Today, we have come to the valedictory ceremony for the week-long celebrations of World Space Week organized in SDHC SHAR from 4th October to 10th October. The function of a prayer is not to influence God, but rather to change the nature of the person who prays. Let us begin today's event with a small prayer in the form of welcome dance by Ms. Bindu Bhargavi. आज के इस कार्यक्रम में एक छोटी सी प्रार्थना गीत नृत्य के रूप में पेश करने के लिए सुश्री बिंदु भार्गवी को आमंत्रित करती हूँ।
अजमानस विघ्नेश्वर मनीषं गजवदनं दुरितौक विनाशम् गजवदनं दुरितौक विनाशं गजवदनं दुरितौक विनाशं गजवदनं दुरितौक विनाशं गतसमनं गजवदनं दुरितौक विनाशं गतसमनं शतसूर्यनिकाशं गजवदनं दुरितौक विनाशं गतसमनं शतसूर्यनिकाशं गजमानस विघ्नेश्वर मनीषं गजपूर्वार्पण वरबलरसन रतं भवतरणं वरबलरसन रतं भवतरणं वरबलरसन रतं भवतरणं वनतुलसीदलपूजितचरणं वरबलरसन रतं भवतरणं वनतुलसीदलपूजितचरणं वरबलरसन रतं भवतरणं वनतुलसीदलपूजितचरणं गजमानस विघ्नेश्वर मनीषं गजपूर्वार्पण गजमानस विघ्नेश्वर मनीषं गजपूर्वार्पण
Thank you very much for the lively performance, Bindu. A pessimist complains about the wind, an optimist tries to change it, but a leader sails through it. The sail for this particular event has been adjusted by a person who has been a motivation to all of us and who has given the guidance to bring together this event. He is none other than Dr. R. Venkatraman, DD Valve, who is also the chairman of the World Space Week Organizing Committee 2020. Now, I would like to welcome Dr. R. Venkatraman to give the welcome address and also to present a report on World Space Week 2020.
A very good evening to one and all. I feel immense happiness in welcoming every one of you present with us and connected online on the occasion of the valedictory function of the World Space Week 2020 program celebrated by the Satish Dhawan Space Center, Sriharikota. The World Space Week program celebrated during the period October 4th to October 10th embarks the celebration of science and technology predominantly in the field of space and its benefits to the common mankind. The theme for this year was Satellites Improves Life. Throughout this program organizing time, our Satish Dhawan Space Center team organized many exciting events and resourceful talks from the experts to enlighten the young minds about the space and rocketry, emphasizing their potential for sustainable socio-economical development leading to the advancement of the nation. In this pandemic situation, celebrating such a World Space Week was a challenging task indeed. Our SDSC SHAR team, well recognized for their professional ability to handle such challenging situations. Thus, the organizing team effectively connecting everyone through the digital platform. Their integral role and zeal has made this event a splendid success. As part of World Space Week celebration, our team successfully organized essay writing, quiz, elocution and painting competition for school students and a design competition for college students. We have received overwhelming response from DSOs, DEOs, principal, faculty members and students. There were 450 students participated in elocution, around 3,000 students participated in the quiz competition and 4,000 students participated in the painting competition and around 5,000 students in essay writing and more than 450 students participated in the design competitions. In addition to this, we have conducted guest lecture by experts from various Department of Space fraternity through our YouTube channel. I once again take this opportunity in welcoming every one of you for this valedictory function and also express my heartfelt gratitude to each one of you without whom an event of this grandeur would have not been made successful. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir, for providing us the key highlights. This event has received an overwhelming response. The glimpses of the last week's celebrations are compiled in the form of a video. Now let us have a look on the highlights of the World Space Week 2020. This video shows the fruits of the extraordinary efforts and the phenomenal teamwork in making this World Space Week 2020 a grand success. A leader is someone who creates an event. Team members essentially bring life to it. It is the dedication and hard work of the team members of various subcommittees who made this World Space Week 2020 a grand success. Now we will see a video compilation of the participants from different districts across all the 4 states sharing their insights and experiences on the event.
Firstly, I thank WSW World Space Week team to give us such a wonderful opportunity to me and to express my talent. Secondly, I thank my teachers to introduce about super duper competition and supporting me. And during this pandemic situation, the ISRO team worked really hard to bring this platform and gave opportunity for students like us to prove ourselves. Their efforts are priceless and valuable. I'm proud to participate in this competition conducted by ISRO. I love space. And also whenever I hear stories or see movies of space, I get inspired.
Welcome to everybody. I am Shara Blessy from 8th A1, Rural Chennai 66. ISRO நடத்துகிற வேர்ல்டு ஸ்பேஸ் 2020 காம்படிஷனில் நான் கலந்துருக்கேன். இதுக்கு முன்னாடி ஸ்பேஸை பற்றி எனக்கு அவ்வளோவா தெரியாது. ஆனால் இந்த இஸ்ரோ காம்படிஷன் நடந்துகிட்ட பிறக்கும் நான் ஸ்பேஸை பற்றி நல்லா தெரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டேன். நான் தெரிஞ்ச ஒவ்வொரு விஷயமும் என் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் நாங்கள் எல்லாருக்கும் ஷேர் பண்ண போகிறேன். எங்களை மாதிரி கவர்மெண்ட் ஸ்கூலில் படிக்கிற எங்கள் பசங்களுக்கும் ஆன்லைன் காம்படிஷன் நடத்தி எங்கள் இஸ்ரோ கொடுத்ததுக்காக இஸ்ரோக்கு ரொம்ப ரொம்ப நன்றி. அதே போல் இந்த காம்படிஷனுக்கு என்னை ஊக்க வச்சு நான் ஆர்வம் காட்டி செஞ்சு வச்சேன் எங்கள் மிஸ் எல்லாருக்கும் ரொம்ப ரொம்ப நன்றி. தேங்க்யூ.
Shore had paved a great way to all aspiring students in an excellent way of celebrating Science Week by bringing all the students on digital platform and conducting online competition. I congratulate all the team who strived hard and made the program a grand success. It had brought back the scientific temper in the students and brightened their knowledge on space. I thank the ISRO team in giving such a great opportunity to all the students and helping in sharpening their creativity.
ముఖ్యంగా ఈ యొక్క పోటీల ద్వారా విద్యార్థుల లోపల విజ్ఞాన శాస్త్రం పట్ల ఆసక్తి కలిగించడం, పరిశోధన రంగం పట్ల ఉత్సాహాన్ని ప్రోత్సహించడం, ఆసక్తి ఉన్నటువంటి విద్యార్థులని గుర్తించి వారికి అంతరిక్ష పరిశోధన కేంద్రం ద్వారా అయినటువంటి కార్యక్రమాల గురించి కూడా తెలియజేయడం అనేది జరిగింది. ముఖ్యంగా మా పాఠశాల నుంచి విద్యార్థులు ఉపన్యాస పోటీలో, వ్యాసరచన పోటీల లోపల మరియు పెయింటింగ్ కాంపిటీషన్లో ఎక్కువ మటుకు పాల్గొనడం జరిగింది. మనం గమనించినట్టయితే పాఠశాల స్థాయి నుంచి బాలబాలికలని పరిశోధన రంగంలో ప్రోత్సహించడానికి ఇది సరైన ప్లాట్ఫామ్గా మనం గుర్తించవచ్చు. నేడు మనం ప్రస్తుతం ఎదుర్కొన్నటువంటి సమస్యల లోపల ప్రధానంగా శాస్త్రవేత్తల కొరత అనేది దేశంలో చాలా ఉంది. కాబట్టి భావి శాస్త్రవేత్తలను మనం తయారు చేయాలంటే, బాల శాస్త్రవేత్తలు తయారు కావాలంటే ఖచ్చితంగా పాఠశాల స్థాయిలో ఉన్న విద్యార్థులని ఈ సృజనాత్మకమైన పోటీలని యథావిధిగా ప్రతి సంవత్సరం నిర్వహించడం అనేది గర్వకారణం. కాకపోతే ఈ పాండమిక్ సిచ్యువేషన్ వల్ల, ఈ కరోనా మహమ్మారి వల్ల నేడు ప్రత్యక్షంగా విద్యార్థులు పాల్గొనే అవకాశం లేకుండా ఈ ఆన్లైన్ ద్వారా ఈ పోటీల్లో పాల్గొనడం జరిగింది. ఏది ఏమైనప్పటికీ ఈ యొక్క కార్యక్రమాన్ని నిర్వహించినటువంటి సంబంధిత విభాగంలో ఉన్నటువంటి అధికారులకు, అనధికారులకు అందరికీ పేరు పేరున ధన్యవాదాలు తెలియజేస్తున్నాం. ఇంత చక్కటి కార్యక్రమాన్ని దేశవ్యాప్తంగా ఉన్నటువంటి బాలబాలికలకు అవకాశం కల్పించడం మరొకసారి వారికి ధన్యవాదాలు తెలియజేస్తూ ముగిస్తున్నాం. కృతజ్ఞతలు. నమస్కారం.
I am really glad to take participate in this competition conducted by the Satish Dhawan Space Center ISRO. Every year this competition is very exciting for the students to learn and to prove themselves. I really appreciate the efforts of ISRO team for making this competition online during this pandemic situation. Thank you. Have a good day.
Sriharikota Satish Dhawan Vinveli Mayam World Space Week 2020 காம்படிஷன்ல கவர்மெண்ட் ஸ்கூல் பசங்களாகிய எனக்கு ஆன்லைன் மூலமா கலந்துக்கிறதுக்கு வாய்ப்பு கிடைச்சதுல ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமா இருக்கு. இது மூலமா நான் நிறைய தெரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டேன். இனிமேலும் நிறைய கலந்துப்பேன். எனக்கு ரொம்ப ஆர்வமா இருக்கு. ஒவ்வொரு வருடமும் இதே மாதிரி போட்டிகள் நடத்தி எங்களுக்கு தெரிவித்தாங்கன்னா எங்களை மாதிரி உள்ள கவர்மெண்ட் ஸ்கூல் பசங்க பயனடைவாங்க. எனக்கு ரொம்ப ஊக்கமாக இருக்குது. ஸ்ரீஹரிகோட்டா சதீஷ் தவான் விண்வெளி மையம் மூலமாக நான் நிறைய தெரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டேன். அதற்கு நன்றி.
Today it has been a pleasure and great satisfaction to see our students so charged up to express their talent and knowledgeability in the World Space Week 2020 activities they participated in. ISRO for organizing such wonderful event and motivated students to cultivate interest in space technology. My students showed very good interest in painting competition, essay writing and quiz competitions. We look forward the ISRO to keep doing a good work and have been doing all along. Thank you very much for this wonderful support. Thank you.
Thanks to Satish Dhawan Space Center, Sriharikota, for celebrating World Space Week 2020 by keeping the caption "Satellite Improve Life." In the part of celebrating, conducting online excitement events, competitions to the school children is very highly appreciable. I personally feel by this students will get a spark of thinking how and why. By this, the dream of new innovative thoughts. As Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam said, dream India so that you can achieve the dreams. It is reflecting Kalam's vision behind these events. My hearty wishes to all the crew members for their efforts. I hope you will come with wonderful events in future too.
Satish Dhawan Space Center has been conducting World Space Week programs every year. The students are very interesting to participate in this program because of they have very high curiosity about space technologies. Thanks to SHAR for giving this opportunity to us to participate in this World Space Week program. The students will gaining more knowledge about satellites and space technology because of this program. Basically, they like rockets, satellites and curiosity about space. These competitions will help to them increase their interest among the space technology.
I felt very exciting first when I heard about the online competitions conducted by SHAR. I have participated in essay writing, and this year there is a small thrill that we don't know what was the exact topic on which we have to participate till the time we are going to participate, and I've enjoyed that thrill very much, and I've really enjoyed by participating in this online competition. And I firstly like to thank SHAR for giving us such a wonderful opportunity. Thank you and have a nice day.
ఈ వారం సతీష్ ధావన్ స్పేస్ సెంటర్ షార్ కండక్ట్ చేసిన వరల్డ్ స్పేస్ వీక్లో నాలాంటి స్టూడెంట్స్కి ఎంతో ఉపయోగకరంగా ఉంది. ఈ వరల్డ్ స్పేస్ వీక్లో స్పేస్ టెక్నాలజీ గురించి కానీ శాటిలైట్స్ వాటి వల్ల కలిగే ప్రయోజనాల గురించి ఎంతో బాగా తెలుసుకోగలిగాం. అంతేకాకుండా ఈ కోవిడ్-19 సిచ్యువేషన్లో ఈ ఆన్లైన్లో ఎలక్యూషన్, ఎస్సే రైటింగ్, డ్రాయింగ్ ఇలాంటి కాంపిటీషన్స్ ఆన్లైన్లో పెట్టడం ద్వారా స్టూడెంట్స్లో ఎంతో ఉత్సాహాన్ని నింపారు. దానికి నేను సతీష్ ధావన్ స్పేస్ సెంటర్ షార్కి ధన్యవాదాలు చెప్తున్నాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Happy World Space Week. Satellites Improve Life, the theme for this year's World Space Week. We Space Kids India are extremely delighted to associate with SDSC SHAR ISRO for celebrating this World Space Week the last 4 years. This year, everything is virtual. I think kudos to Mr. Rajarajan, Director SDSC SHAR, and Chairman WSW, Mr. Venkatraman, for this amazing success. Hope to celebrate World Space Week, hope to celebrate science awareness, space awareness with the children for many, many years to come. Jai Hind.
Leadership is not about a title or a designation. It's about the impact, the influence and the inspiration. We are fortunate to have such a person as our beloved director, Sri A. Rajarajan, who has created a legacy of his own and who inspired us to dream more, work more, and learn more. He has been a constant driving force, enabling us to achieve greater heights. May I now request our director, Sri A. Rajarajan, to address the audience.
Dear students, teachers, technologists, scientists, and my dear colleagues and friends, good afternoon to you all. It gives me immense pleasure and excitement to address you on this occasion, marking the success of our SHAR community in organizing World Peace Week celebrations digitally this year. I am enthralled seeing your enthusiasm and scientific temper from the overwhelming response you have shown for various events and experts talks organized by SHAR. I hope you have enjoyed participating in these competitions and benefited by the lecture given by our experts and held on the behalf of this World Space Week celebrations. The paramount objective of this week-long program was to provide leverage in space outreach and education, inculcate the awareness on space technology, develop curiosity and inquisitiveness on why such things are being done, how it improves the life, how the spacecraft is giving the necessary inputs for your day-to-day needs, how well it is got imbibed in your day-to-day life, and so on. I also was thrilled to seeing the public support and encouragement for the space programs, and this week's celebration has shown that young minds are very curious and very much excited to participate in the program and to know better, know things, how it is being, how the space and how the space technology, related technologies like transportation systems, the spacecraft and its applications, how well it can be improved and how well it can be put to use for our common needs. So, in order to develop further, I hope this week-long celebration would have certainly fulfilled your expectations and efficiently paved the way for achieving these aspirations and objectives. It is heartening to see thousands of young and curious minds participating in each of the events. I extend my hearty congratulations to all participants for their eagerness and active involvement. I am sure that this little spark of curiosity we have created today will ignite your minds for your future experiments and will allow you to achieve greater heights in whatever you do in the coming days. Winners of the events will be announced in a week through website. My dear students, you have to remember one thing. The will to participate is the real winner. And in that regard, each one of you is a winner. Actually, you are given a tough competition and tough time for us to see who is the best among this. And it has made the life difficult for the jury to make their final selection. Congratulations, winners. I take this opportunity to congratulate the World Peace Week organizing team from SJC SHAR, who have shown utmost commitment and stood up to the occasion in making it a grand success. Thousands of students across different zones have participated in each of the competitions. And the response I have seen in the website is so overwhelming that it goes to the organizing committee and their members to have reached out to each one of you to see that such an event is being organized and an opportunity is provided. This commitment is the one which makes SJC SHAR community to take up any challenging jobs in their work. I conclude my speech quoting one of the greatest scientific minds known to the mankind, Sir Albert Einstein. The important thing is not to stop questioning. Curiosity has its own reason for existing. One cannot help but in awe when he contemplates the mysteries of eternity, of life, of the marvelous structure of the reality. It is enough if one tries merely to comprehend a little of this mystery every day. Thank you.
आपके इस प्रेरित भाषण के लिए बहुत धन्यवाद. Thank you very much, sir, for your motivating words, and hearty congratulations to all the winners and participants. Every celebration is an experience. The external fades away and the internal lingers and echoes in the depth of our hearts. As we come to the close of our valedictory ceremony, I invite Dr. M. Rajashekhar, convener, World Space Week Organizing Committee, to propose the vote of thanks.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. As the convener of the organization committee, I am here to extend my profound gratitude to each and everyone who has contributed directly or indirectly for the successful completion of World Space Week celebrations at Satish Dhawan Space Center, Shar, Sriharikota. To begin with, my heartfelt thanks to the public, especially the student community who made this event momentous and their untiring participation. I am also obliged to the parents, teachers and principals who have been played a crucial role in the motivating them to participate in the event. On behalf of entire SDSC Shar team, I would like to extend my gratitude to DUOs of different districts who has helped us to outreach the program to the students in a very effective manner. I thank you to all from the bottom of my heart. I also would like to extend my thanks to all members of the organizing committee and various subcommittees, because without their strenuous efforts and execution of this program during the pandemic situation would not have been possible. I would like to thank photography team who has extended their complete support and the cooperation of recording and the events and the expert talks to enable us to connect with you through online. Especially, I would like to thank social media platforms and media. I offer my sincere thanks to each and one of them who has indirectly contributed for the success of this program. Thank you one and all. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. The end of a story is the new beginning for many others. On this note, let's conclude a remarkable, memorable and a knowledgeable valedictory session. Kudos to the entire World Space Week 2020 team for making this event a grand success in such a short duration and COVID-19 situation. It is a fruit of your dedication and hard work all of us are celebrating today. Thank you one and all who have spared their valuable time for joining this occasion. We will meet you again next year, that is 2021, with the theme Women in Space. Let us conclude today's program with the national anthem. अच्छा, आज के इस विशेष कार्यक्रम को राष्ट्रीय गीत से समाप्त करते हैं.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता. पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा. विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा. तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे. गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता. जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.